Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about how can we reset network setting. Guys, your phone network setting, guys, your internet setting, mobile network setting, Wi-Fi setting, guys, you want to reset in your Redmi phone. So when how to reset guys all network setting in a Redmi phone. Today I will show you guys. Today I am going to tell you about guys how to reset network setting. So before starting video, can first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon. So when first of all we will on our phone setting to reset our internet setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see guys this type of setting. So you will have to guys scroll and once you can see your more setting in your Redmi phone. So guys tap here. Then as you can see your network setting guys, tap here. As you can see your all network setting like this will reset all network setting including. So guys tap here and once you can see draw your pattern. So as you have your pattern lock and once you have your pin lock, as you have an digit password, so you will have to enter your password and you will have to draw your pattern lock. So I have my pattern lock, so I will draw my pattern to reset this all network setting. As you can see guys, all network setting. Now this might take several seconds, you won't be able to undo this action. So as you cannot undo means you cannot come back. So I tap here, let's wait here. And guys your setting will reset in your Redmi phone guys. So as your setting will reset and guys come back. Otherwise you can use your internet setting guys, all internet setting, Wi-Fi, mobile data setting, Bluetooth setting, you can use it. So like that guys, if you want to reset your network setting you can reset. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye friends.